Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing vegan protein hair cream mask. I've already shared one hair cream mask before, that is the Henna hair cream mask. I'll leave the link in the description box, you can check it out. For this cream I'm going to require a banana. Banana is a rich source of potassium and also adds elasticity and luster to your hair. The second ingredient that I'm going to take is soy milk. Soy milk contains calcium, vitamins and fiber. It's rich in B vitamin. Plus, it's also rich in protein and acts as an amazing conditioner. Soy milk is a really great option for people opting for vegan products. Homemade hair mask can be as effective as commercial market protein hair mask without toxic chemicals and hefty price tag. Plus, ingredients are quite affordable and are easily available in the kitchen. Now I'm going to add all the bananas in the mixer grinder and make a thin paste out of it. Remember that the paste should not contain any lumps, because if they contain lumps, it's going to stick into your hair and it doesn't work well. Now I'm going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of soy milk into it. I'll mix it well. See, my mixture doesn't contain any lumps. Now I'm going to add half tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil. You can also add almond oil and olive oil if you want. You can also add in essential oils of your choice. It depends upon you. Now mix them well. Your hair mask is ready. Apply it from scalp to tips. Leave it for 20 minutes to 1 hour and you can wash it off. If you like my video, just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos.